Breast implant revision runs anywhere from $16,000 to $40,000, and the gap between those numbers is not greed, it's actually what's being fixed. I performed over 30,000 procedures, and in 6 minutes, you'll know exactly which end of that range your situation lands on, and why the cheapest quote is the one that should worry you. First, the question everyone asks, why does fixing implants cost more than getting them done? Because your first augmentation surgery was on a blank canvas. A revision is surgery on scar tissue, altered anatomy, and whatever the first operation left behind. It takes longer in the operating room, demands more judgment, and there's less room for error. You're paying for the harder operation because it is one. The 16,000 ends straightforward problems. An implant swap for size or style, a simple position adjustment, one issue, healthy tissue, no capsule work needed. If your implants are fine but wrong for you, wrong size, old style, this is your neighborhood. The middle of the range, this is where most revisions actually live. Capsular contracture with full capsule removal. Fixing an implant that's dropped too low or drifted. Correcting rippling with the plane change or added support. In my practice, capsule work also includes a stratus sheet, a supportive tissue matrix placed over the repair as a barrier against contracture recurring. It's a significant material cost on its own, and it's a big part of why what I fix tends to stay fixed. And when the anatomy allows, I do these revisions through the armpit, even the capsule removal. No new scars on the breast, same philosophy as my Scarless breast augmentations. The surgical time roughly doubles versus a simple swap, and this is where surgeon skills start showing up in the result you live with for the rest of your life. The 40,000 end, complex reconstruction. Multiple problems at once. Contracture plus malposition plus a lift, redoing a revision somebody else already attempted, rebuilding the fold your implant sits in, replacing lost support with internal reinforcement. These are the cases where the surgery is closer to a reconstruction than adjustment. Hours in the operating room, and honestly, they're the cases that made me good at the simpler ones. Now the practical part, how to read a quote. A revision quote dramatically under this range is telling you something is missing. The capsule work, the operating time, the anesthesia team, the surgeon's experience with revisions specifically. And here's a math that matters. The most expensive revision is the second one. Paying once for the surgeon who fixes everything in one operation beats paying twice. In money, in recovery, and in scar tissue you can't get back. If you're not sure yet whether you need a revision at all, watch 5 signs your breast implants need revision, and why your breast implant feels hard, and when it needs to come out. For a real answer on your specific case and where it lands in the range, the consultation link is in the description. I'm Dr. Shim Ching in Honolulu. I'll see you in the next one.